I want to talk about this dehumidifier that Wellsle sent me to do a video on. Really excited to get this. Where I live up in the Northeast, it is humid. A lot of humidity, and you kind of need to have one of these or you're going to have a musty basement. What do you get right out of the box? You saw the instructions right there with a direct drain hose. You can see right here, the panel. This is on wheels, so it's going to move very easily. Taking a look at the back side, right there is the direct drain if you want to do the direct drain option. Filter right there, and sneaky, one of my favorite features, long cord. A lot of these don't have a long cord. This one does. You can kind of not tied down by where the power is. It's also got the handle right there for easy moving. Plug it in, try it out for the first time, turning it on. And one of the other things I really like, this guy runs pretty quietly. You can see right here. Take a look at the display. You've got the power. You can select either auto or continuous, adjust the humidity rate you're looking for, fan speed. There's a timer as well. So you can do pretty much anything you're looking to with this. And running very quietly, very excited. You can hear that. So this is going to be great. I'm going to keep this down in my basement. I do have another one upstairs that I don't need to use quite as much, but this is going to be phenomenal. Let it run overnight. You can see right there, it's got the auto shut off, so you don't need to worry about leakage. And I went to empty it, and this is going to hold 80 pints. That's about right around a gallon and a third of moisture. So this is great. It's going to draw a lot of moisture out of the air for you. This is going to be very useful in my basement this summer. If you're tired of humidity in your home, click on the link in the description below.